official channel. I can remember Master Ayan Devi, the chairman of organization of Dangote Peace Gala. So far, in Gala, I'm kosher.
So far, Kerabubu, Mati, the 5th day, the Nusulani.
Okay.
So the Nusuni gives some Kosuchashi. Masala Biwano, Damo Biwano. Your 3rd edition, Yabu Sangasu Afokara for December. Therefore, each man is really Fakot and Alafia. Okay. Yeah, we are. So, since safety, I have numerical teams so that now back together. Yeah, true football, yeah, young can come. Yeah, Kuru Shiriana, Yanyaka. So, I'm going to Kuru Shiriana, Yanyaka, till careful you from back together. Yes, man, come togetherness in football, we come back together. Yeah, Dangote and Fashion Bali, if I buy them, yeah, supporting. Because you money and 22 teams. 22 teams is about out of 22 teams, and the rules and regulations be governing. What team by misbehavior will take you out. Okay.
Okay. By Etika teams in the anonymity 5th day or Neka rumors are around teams in the qualify. Bambins Matuko, and some have played even Bimabu once or Banana second game boomer. If I say some qualified.
Nimbe qualify like our teams in me. We were 22 and 22 ni why you 22 ni Keba fixtures ni New Kama him boni and boni itikiro. So nka apa him wura hinu na apa so that not team bebu na lekine yiwu kane klubu. So esma kra ka wika abonyuma ahumana ka akbu numiyiwa no. The last one we learn from the previous mistakes. Last one team club nyuma ngamonu na so nebu na lekine ka akbubuku do ya shikagala ba ya smash ko ka wi ka kaman ya hu fie o na entertain ya hu mi nkru na be ku yamba tan shi board bu don waga na wo fon na ko use showcase bu talent the team so ma be what ma qualify be na ka bu first group no so bla bo 2 matches but 6 points. And teams will be group only between now. So they will na bola wanya 6 points ni. Otoma bla qualify. Na be Usmani between nunu. So nunu ni. Yanga 3 teams to qualify ba. Ama nana ni 2 teams to qualify. So nunu ni bumbe unsubo nyumana. Not until Babwawi. Aku determine they will qualify who will qualify ma. Ama 2-2 4-4 here ni. No qualify so far.
Okay, yes so far ni. Groups ni when are we expecting the group stage to end?
And on the 23rd, group stage will end on the 23rd of this month.
Okay, and then now round 16 they play when?
Round 16 the following day, 25th, 24th. Yeah, you group stage in way 23rd. 23rd now you knock out on Thursday. 23rd, but no coaches in the qualify. You toss in the then group will then the following 24th. They start their matches.
So far, games in Quebec, I learned our champions are not yet win any game.
Yeah.
So what are we expecting? Yeah. Is it like a champion so we could defend him and
well, we to organize as to whether we could defend him. We blow falling. We last year and blow Makura defend him. Different team of fire. Bernard Kudani FC. So this time around, Babu match against Tanga. Bubu 0-0. So as to whether we could defend one, that one is left to them. Maybe we have one out from them. Do we have one out from them.
I hope we are getting the peace we need.
We are getting, so far we are getting. That's why I said we have rules and regulations governing it.
Okay.
And before we will, and when we give them the form, the rules are on the form. Okay. Lateness, you have a fine. If you misbehave on the field, there are sanctions to it. To the extent more, we can just take you out, disqualify you completely, which we've even disqualified on 2 teams so far.
Hey,
yeah.
Who are they?
We've disqualified Japa and then Famisa. Okay. Yeah, we've disqualified them. And we don't disqualify them based on our own discretion. We only have to bring them together, talk to them. If they agree on to what we want them to do, then we'll allow them. If they don't agree, then we just go straight and disqualify them. That's what we do. Because it's an affair, because it's for peace. So if it's for peace, and there is misunderstanding, we bring the two teams together. Then they will dialogue. If they dialogue, because that's what we want. If there is misunderstanding between them, then we, the officials, or the management board, will say no, they should go on. But if they disagree with us, then we disqualify them. That's what we do.
Okay. Epi bana yabanye kebe games nko.
No more could cover the game, but so far we don't have support.
Okay.
We need support from people.
Okay.
This is our third time organizing this thing, and in fact, that is actually helping us. People from different places are coming. People you think they will not come, they are all coming. And it's really surprising people in Chevron. And again, it's making business in time booming.
Okay.
The last year when we didn't have it, when we wanted not to have it, the businessmen around the police station, they were complaining. And there was a day we didn't even play match. We didn't inform them. They brought food and the food was just there. Nobody bought the food. So they called some of us and was asked, if like we will not even have the game, we should have informed them. Their food, you understand? So it's also helping in business. Okay. Okay, I'm sure.
We check the official channel. So far, we can go and cause chashi. Abatana fe chenkreche. I was the games in show.
So far, so good. It's an Alafia game. So far, games in Kesco Kosuchasho. So it's a good initiative that needs to be encouraged and supported. That is why every day, Anka, in the time, I make sure that I come here to support. Because take care of me. Ibuka Tanalafia and no share ni sheshesu will find us there. Without those three things, it can be kurukwasu. So that is why you see me here. But so far so good. It's been amazing.
So far, Yonka games in Kosuchashi, Tanalafia Melkuni, it was Subi, Ankara by Ozevika, Tanalafia, and Senior for coach nations. So far, I'm about now the games in Chenkareche.
Yes.
And Numa 50-50, Mbema qualified, Mbema about disqualifiable. Ye, Atanani, Bill disqualifiable, Nzuko, so I don't know.
Unfortunately, that game I wasn't around. But I understand that there was a misunderstanding concerning a goal. By then, it's an Alafia game, so the essence of the games is to promote peace and peaceful coexistence. So, the peaceful nature of the games are definitely they have to pull them out, and I think that is why they were both pulled out.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not like anybody has anything personal against them or something.
About the games, champions currently, but now we win my match. About the for the performance of the teams. And any bono in a fanga people for Domi champions, they have not yet even win any a single game.
That shows how competitive the games are this year. Because games there has not been a clear favorite. That team it's likely to win the trophy or not. So this shows that the initiative is growing and people are taking it serious. And in the numbers in Bebuba field in Susquehanna, it shows that the message is going down well. And I think the program is achieving its aim of promoting peaceful coexistence in the district. Fabu Council will climax all this with a peace concert on the 1st of January. From the information I'm gathering, I think finally Igbo on the 1st of January. And then from the field, they organize the program show. It's another peace program, Tanalafia concert. And myself, including my other brothers who are also artists, together Tanalafia concert. Kebi na yaramokul fair voices for Bukasu. Na nikikere kosu chashi. Na yakuru Tanalafia me. We enjoy you at this moment, so that they last forever.
Okay. It will happen on 1st January.
1st January. Okay. Yes, at the Prince Corner. So, to everybody listening, you all are invited.
Yeah. Are we expecting any big artists from there?
Yeah, we are working on that. If possible, we will do that. But otherwise, we are big enough to do things like this. So we'll see what to do. We'll see how it goes. We are still at the organization stage. Thank you very much. I'm really grateful.
Tana lafia la mayati oi, tana lafia tiatina, tana lafia la mayati.